All right, should be better now. Alright, this is the new stream, right? You guys are here. Awesome. Give me 1 sec. Sorry, I'm just getting situated. Uh, Sorry about that. Open up my stream. All right, the stream should be better, right? You guys should see. Yep, 1080p. Perfect. That's what I like. There's no way I was going to do a stream with only 720. It just doesn't work that way. It just does not work that way. But yeah, oh shoot, let me move my camera here. All right, there you go. You guys can see me, right? Let me move this a little bit down here. All right. Yo, what's going on, guys? Good morning. It is 5:40 a.m. over here in New York, in the East Coast. Let me know if my microphone is okay. Is the volume good? Let me know. But yeah, it's currently 5:40 a.m. right now. Thought I'd do an early stream. So basically, I can't be too loud because people are sleeping. But basically, I figured out what the issue was with my PC. I figured out what the problem was with my PC. If you guys watched the last live stream, which a lot of you guys were watching it, if you guys watched the last one, my PC basically got destroyed. And I tested it again yesterday, and what happened was the GPU, the graphics card, actually exploded. There was a lot of smoke coming out of it. The entire house got smoked up, and I had to open up the window. I had to put the fan just to blow the smoke out of my room. So I actually figured out that it was the GPU that caused the entire computer to shut off. And so yeah, the GPU it made sense why the GPU would not work with my old PC. Like if I had it plugged in, it wouldn't work, but if I took it out, it would work. So it makes a lot of sense now. So the problem here is that I can't even buy a graphics card because if I went on Newegg, I went on Amazon, and I tried looking for a 1650 or a 1660, they're all sold out. So that's a problem over here. They're all sold out, so I can't just buy them. I can easily replace the motherboard. I can easily replace the CPU, no problem. But I cannot replace the GPU because it's all sold out and they're really expensive. So it's just kind of like it's kind of like I don't know how long I have to wait, but I do have an older GPU that I could use. It's not really the best, but I don't have a GPU right now. Like I'm currently just streaming without a GPU. So yeah, but it doesn't really matter. I'll still be able to record videos and stream. I haven't downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm gonna try that later, just to make sure I can actually edit my videos. So you guys will be able to have something, to watch over the next couple months because I am actually moving soon. I'm moving across the state. I mean, moving across the country, and so there's gonna be a period of time where I actually won't be able to physically make videos. And so what I am going to do is I'm going to record all those videos in advance and I'm going to schedule them so that way you guys will be able to have content able to, watch every single week. So that's just one thing that I need to make sure I've done before I move. I don't know when I'm going to get situated. It's going to take some time. These things take some time, but it doesn't really matter. I'm pretty happy that I was able to figure out what the issue is because now at least I know what the problem was and I know how to prevent it in the future. Well, not prevent it, but basically, the graphics card that I had was very old. It was like 4.5 years old. It was like 4.5 years old. And so, I'm not surprised that it exploded, it's just kind of unfortunate. But yeah, I'm currently on my old computer right now. And I just reinstalled Windows today. And, you can see, like, I legit don't have anything on my computer. Like, look at all the stuff that I just downloaded right now. I downloaded Brave, Hardware Info, Discord, Spotify, Streamlabs. Like, the first thing I did when I got on this computer was I just downloaded Streamlabs because I want to stream. I don't have anything on here right now. But we're gonna change that. So I don't have Visual Studio Code. I'm basically gonna show you guys how I would set up. Oh shoot, move that. I'm basically gonna show you guys how I would set up a brand new environment. So I also don't even have Windows activated on this computer. I do have a serial key that can be used over and over again. But yeah, I mean I could activate it right now, but I don't want to. Not yet, at least. But I'm sure I could use it as many times as I want though, which isn't the nice part. Anyways, let me go ahead and just do something real quick. Let me actually, let me do something real quick. But yeah, I'm excited. You know, I'm excited. Is this stream okay? Is the stream okay? Oh shoot. Oh, the stream's okay. I don't know what the hell happened to the stream. Oh, I got signed out. Whoops. Oh, let me give you one second. Let me sign back in. Let me sign back in. I accidentally cleared my cookies too. I got it. I have 2FA enabled too. What? Did someone ask me if I was Indian? I'm not Indian. I am Malaysian. Why don't I use OBS Studio? Because Streamlabs gives you Streamlabs is much better. It's easier to manage and also has alerts too. He's not Indian. Nav, how's it going? How are you? Welcome to the stream, guys. It's early. I'm glad to see you guys all here. I'm really happy to see you guys all here. We have 26 people here. If you're here watching the stream, make sure you say hi. Make sure you say hi. Sam the Mayor. I recognize your name. How are you? Yo, I'm in a good mood this morning, you know. I haven't been in a good mood for like a week or so, but I'm in a good mood. And I got my coffee too, so that's even better. I went out for a walk at 4 a.m. and I came back. So I'm in a really good mood. But anyways, yeah, I see all your messages, guys. I really appreciate you guys for interacting with the chat. I really do appreciate it. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Alright, so basically right now, we are using the command prompt. So you can see right now I don't have Node, so I need to install Node. So I'm just going to do that from over here on this website. So hopefully I don't need to install, or not reinstall, restart my computer. That would suck if I need to. I hope I don't need to. Alright, so let's do that. So let's just install everything. I see all your messages. I see all of your guys' messages. Thank you guys for chatting. It's not morning, it's midday, man. It's morning for me. I have work in about three and a half hours, so we're gonna try to do as much as we can. LMAO, it's morning for you in the nighttime for me, 9 p.m. Well, where are you from, Nav? Alright, let's install Node. Yeah, let's do all that. Yeah, let's do this as well. Alright, so let's install it. Alright, so this should take probably like a couple seconds. Australia, wow. Alright, so I gotta hit yes. That's the parental controls. Soul God HD, how are you? Check your Discord server. There's a video spammer, really? Who's spamming? I don't see anyone spamming. I don't see anyone spamming. Vibing with the kangaroos. Yeah, Australia. I've always wanted to go there. Alright, so we just installed Node. That's great. So if I type Node again, you're going to see it doesn't work, but I have to restart command prompt. And don't worry, we will install. Let me fix my hat. There we go. Alright, so Node is installed. So now we can literally write programs. So I can also, you know, let me see. Do I have PowerShell in here? I do have PowerShell. Do I have Windows Terminal? Let me install Windows Terminal real quick. Let me see if I can install it real quick. I should be able to just install it from the Microsoft Store. So Windows Terminal. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's get that. Let's install it. No thanks. Don't want Microsoft stealing my data. Why do you not use WSL? I don't know. I installed in Payfo SQL. I feel gross. Alright, awesome. You guys want to know what's one thing that I regret not doing so much when I had my other computer? The one thing that I regret so much was not streaming much on Twitch, because I've been wanting to stream video games. I don't know how many of you guys would want to watch that, but I've been wanting to do that for some time, and I regret not doing it. But when I get everything situated, I am definitely going to stream more on Twitch. Trust me. Okay. So we should have NPM as well. Yep, NPM V. There we go, version 6. There was a huntsman in my house. The other day it was like massive, really. Wow, that's crazy, dude. What video games are you gonna stream? I don't know. I have been playing Overwatch a lot. I started playing again last month because I took a break from coding. So I would stream that. I would also stream Valorant. I have not played Valorant yet, so I want to play that. I didn't actually get a chance to play it. My friend really wants me to play it. Um, he really wants me to play it. So, and I didn't get a chance to download the game. So I want to stream Valorant. I feel like if I played Valorant, I could, do pretty well in the rankings maybe. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. There's a lot of games that I haven't. Would you let viewers play? Yeah, I'll be down. Like, if you guys want to play, I'll be down. Like, I actually did do live streams where I used to play Minecraft with viewers before on this channel. That was like back in July. So I'd be down to, if you guys want to play, we could definitely play. But here's the thing though, I only play competitive. I never play normals because I don't know. I'm a really competitive person, so I never really play normal games. I mean, we can play normals if you guys want, but I'm just saying I usually prefer playing competitive. All right. Like I play Overwatch all the time, and I only ever play competitive Overwatch. I don't play anything else that's not competitive. With any game, CS:GO, Overwatch, League, Fortnite. I mean, does Fortnite even have normals? I don't think so. All right, let's download Visual Studio Code. I really love this coffee. Like if I have a really good cup of coffee, that literally makes my whole day. Cyberpunk, dude, I need to get a graphics server for that. You should play Minecraft and make a server. I'll definitely make a server. One of my former mods asked me if I ever will make a Minecraft server, and I could actually make a Minecraft server. CS:GO, I don't play CS:GO anymore. I mean, CS:GO is pretty much dead. Unfortunately, it died a while ago, and then they made the game free to play. Don't play Among Us is dead. Yeah, there's like new games always being like Rust right now is popular now because all the big streamers are making it popular. So you kind of just have to ride the wave sometimes or do your own thing. If I install Slappy, I want to run it in command and it doesn't recognize the program. I don't know. I have no idea. Tutorials on making Minecraft plugins. I could at some point. Alright, we got Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to show you guys what plugins I install for Visual Studio Code. So I usually like to install, let's see, Prettier. So let's do that. Let's install Prettier. And I can also install all of the other linting, the linters as well. For web dev, I usually install Live Server, so I can have like an auto reload. We're going to install a couple other things. Let's see, what else do I need? I have not played Valorant. But I do want to play. Valorant. I do want to play Valorant. I've been playing. I do still play Overwatch, even though the game Overwatch is dead. But I still enjoy playing it a lot. So maybe I'll stream that game sometime. Just because it's dead doesn't mean I can't enjoy the game, So I'll definitely stream that game sometime. I don't know. I just have fun playing games I love playing. Minecraft, Overwatch. I just want to do what I want to do. I just want to do what I want to do without having to think about what other people think. It's all about me having fun at the end of the day. You know what I mean? And if you guys want to join me, you guys are more than welcome to. But yeah, like those are the main games I want to stream because I just have a lot of fun playing them. But I'm also down to playing other games too. I actually haven't played much video games from March all the way up until. Did I install Discord? Yes. Haven't you synced your settings with GitHub? Not yet. I literally, this is all brand new. Like we don't even have any files on our computer. But from last year, from March all the way until November, all I did was I just coded. I never played video games. All I did was I coded. I never played any video games at all. I never played Overwatch. I never played anything. I mean, I played City Skylines here and there, but that's because I was always just focused on coding all the time, right? And I realized I was like, it's okay to play video games because you can't code all the time, You can't code all the time. You have to do something else for fun. And I kind of looked down on video games for some time. But now it's just like I've been playing video games and I've been feeling like, am I really wasting my time? And I'm like, you know what? Not really, because, do I really need to force myself to be playing to be coding all the time? I don't really need to do that. Because I'm currently working, and I'm also making videos. I'm also streaming, so I think I do deserve, some couple hours to play some video games to enjoy my own time, you know, just to kind of like forget about everything else that I currently do. But yeah, I definitely want to play more games though. Obviously, I don't want to get super addicted to it, but you know. Alright, let's create a directory. Let's call this TS tutorial. Topic for today, just TypeScript, you know. I was making the TypeScript tutorial, but my computer got messed up, so I might be able to actually take my solid state drive and mount it over here. What do I do for my job? I'm a software developer. What's your Twitch? I kind of want to follow and turn on notifications. Sure, I'll give you my Twitch. If you guys are not following me on Twitch, you guys should definitely follow me on Twitch. I don't stream on there that much, but maybe I will stream on there more. I only have 136 followers, but it'd be nice if I had more. But just follow if you want. I will stream on there at some point. I don't like streaming on YouTube because it lacks a lot of features, and streaming on Twitch would be so much more fun. So I would definitely appreciate you guys giving me a follow. Minecraft's been alive for 10 years. It has been alive, but it died for a period of time. And then it came back to life. So, yeah, I don't know. All your files are gone? No, I never. So the nice thing is that on my computer that I used to stream, like the computer the new computer that I built, I never put any personal files on there. Never had any personal files on there whatsoever. So even if the hard drive failed, everything's already on GitHub. I don't have to worry about my personal files because that's already on a different hard drive. And I usually keep, I don't know. I didn't want to keep any personal files. I'm actually glad I didn't because, you know, the fact that thing happened. The one thing that I learned from this whole thing is if I ever build a new computer, I am never using any old parts ever again. Hi Anson, just got rejected by a girl. Now I am sad. That's unfortunate, honestly. I mean, hey, look, it happened to me many times in the past too. You know, you just gotta keep your head up, and you know, worry about yourself and work on your own life. You know, obviously it's gonna hurt, but you know, just keep doing what you want to do, right? I know that feeling. Trust me, I know that feeling. How old are you? If you don't mind me asking. Why did you reinstall Windows? Because I needed to. I had Linux on this computer the last time I streamed, like 2 days ago. I had Linux, but I decided to reinstall Windows. I don't like Linux, I'm gonna be honest. I've been subbed since you had 3K subs. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm glad to hear that. Do I have Yarn installed? Very great. Alright, let's install Yarn. Oh, okay, I got this problem. Alright, so what did I study? Are you talking about college? If you're talking about college, I studied computer science in college. And it paid off really well for me. Oh, I gotta run Windows Terminal as an administrator. Alright, there we go. There we go. Okay, so Yarn should work now. I was thinking about building a PC. You should. I feel like now is a bad time to build a PC because the fucking GPU is just like... The GPU market has been so fucked for so long. Like, it was fine from like 2019, but like it's just been so fucked, and I hate it. You can't buy a GPU right now. It sucks. I hate it. Used parts are a bitch to maintain. You never know the condition. Yeah, that's true. Anson, why do you call yourself a software engineer when you have graduated with a computer science degree? Well, I mean, you can graduate with a computer science degree and pursue a software engineer career. It's kind of like, you know, people go to college for all sorts of things. You can always choose a different career in your path, you know? I'm not a computer scientist because I don't I mean, computer scientists do a lot more than just write code. They actually study the theory and come up with new theories all the time. I don't do that. I actually build applications and software, so that's why. Is this your job? Well, I would consider this a side hustle. I was here for the Discord just but then fell in love with the content and subbed. Yeah, awesome. BTC, yeah, Bitcoin made all GPUs sold out. Lol. Yeah, I legit cannot find any good graphics cards. Like, not even a 1660. Here the AMD 3600 is like 35, and it used to be 250. AMD is to wait for it to go down. Market. Yeah, it sucks. Like, the CPU, at least you can buy a CPU, but you can't even buy a GPU. It's so annoying. Like, you know. Fies UK, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Welcome back to the stream, I should say. Dude, I love this coffee so much. Alright, let's try out some TypeScript. Alright, what time is it right now? So yeah, pretty much everything is already set up so far with Visual Studio Code, which is nice. I do miss my old prettier config, so I will have to fix that later, but don't worry about that too much. So I should be able to just do node index.ts, and that should work. Super, 1650 super. Do you use or disable the administrator account Windows? I'm not sure. How would you do a file uploader manager for images? Sheldon, that's a good question. So what I would do is I would just save the file in a specific location on the server, and I would take a reference. I would take the file location and I would save it to the database, so that way I have a reference to, and that way I know the path of where the file is, so I can always send it to the user. I'm not really sure if I did disable the administrator account Windows. I can get a 3080 since they're in stock. Where are you from, Lewis? If you don't mind me asking, or if you don't mind answering, that is. So how would how would a user create and update folders? Like, there's a tutorial on this. Oh, like, so you want to create like a specific folder for each user? Well, you'd have to do it on the back end. That's what I would do, at least. I would create a unique folder mapped by the user's username or something, and inside that folder I would store all the user's files, like the resume, images, whatever it is. Dude, right now in Amazon GTX 50 is bro, like, here's the problem. Like, let me go on Amazon real quick. Can I find some stuff? Like, I legit cannot find anything at all in the United States. Like, and that's just a 1660, bro. Like, maybe I could. I even tried looking at Micro Center, and I can't find, like, look over here, right? Hopefully I'm not showing anything. I mean, I shouldn't have anything, but look over here. Okay, if I click on this, yeah, this would ship in like a week or so, so I have to wait a week, which is not really that bad. But here's the thing though, like, why would you buy a 1660 Ti for $550 when you can literally just get an RTX 3060 for the same price? Because the RTX 3060 is literally, I think the MSRP is like, what, 500, and it's way better. So why would you want to waste your money on that? And the problem is we don't know when these RTX cards are going to come out or come back out. So yeah, I don't know. I just wish I could buy a graphics card right now, but it's fine. You know, I actually managed to. I do have a spare graphics card, so I could use that, but it can't really run much games. Like, it can play Minecraft, but that's pretty much it. Can't do anything more though. Can't do anything more, but that's okay. Canadian Amazon's like Aston better for some reason. Lauren Nuss. Hi, how are you? Welcome to the stream. I've never seen you here before, but welcome. Welcome. It's good to see you here. Alright, hopefully this formatted quickly. Okay, it seems like prettier seems to not be working for some reason. Not sure why. Why is prettier not working? It should work. Let's restart. Whoops. Splexus. How the hell did I mispronounce it? I didn't look properly, but welcome. Never seen you here before, but welcome. Okay, so why is prettier not working? It should be working. Let's see. We gotta make sure prettier works. Aiden, how are you? It's been a while since I've seen you here. Hope you're doing well, man. How are you doing? It's been a hot minute since I last joined one of your streams, Boss Cam. Did you change your name? Because I feel like this is my first time seeing you. Forgive me if that's your same name. I feel like it's my first time seeing you here. How's life? Life is alright. It could be better, but it's not always going to be that way. And everyone here, coffee versus tea? I'm more of a coffee guy, but I try my best not to drink coffee. I usually just stick with tea because it's less caffeine. And I usually like drinking, like, you know, not drinking alcohol, but like I usually like drinking liquids. Like, for example, tea, coffee. So I prefer drinking something that has less calories, and I mean, coffee without any sweetener just tastes so bad. At least with tea, I can at least just drink it. You know, like it doesn't taste that bad. Yo, my lol kindness Roblox. I have not seen you here for a while, but welcome back to the stream. A long time ago, I went by the name of Shadow Knox. It sounds very familiar. Tried a Starbucks instant coffee. I'll try it out. Back when you first made it. Oh, okay. I'll try it out. In India, tea is like so important, really? Well, that's good. Yeah, why is my prettier not working? That's quite interesting. Let's see what's going on here. Ages ago, I was always on the server in the help sections. What was your name on the server? Was it the same name, Shadow Knox? I honestly don't have the best memory, so if I forget, you know, don't feel offended. Okay, yeah, I don't know why my prettier is not working. Let me try disabling it. Format on save? Oh. How do I find that format? Oh. Good catch. I think there is an option there, right? How can I join Discord? The link is in the description. There's a link in the description. Where is it? Lol, I just changed my prettier to single quotes if it's in setting and setup. Also learn about reaction collectors. I'll search for my save. Oh, there we go. Wow, I don't know what the hell I just did. Let's see. That's interesting. Coldery, how are you? Also, Wade is my best friend. Control Shift F. Oh, maybe I need to set the formatter. Maybe it's because I haven't set the form. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's set it to prettier. There we go. HTS Vlogs, how are you? How's going, Anson, brother? Oh, it's going alright. What about you? Oh, there you go. It works. Alright, perfect. Alright, that's great. Yeah, Prettier is fucking awesome. I love Prettier. It's the best, one of the best extensions out there. Alt Shift F. That's all what I use. Alt Shift F. What does that do? That's what that does for me. Autosave. Do I have autosave enabled too? I hope you guys are doing well. So I have that set up. So I should be able to also create a React app too. Fine, just developing my first Discord bot. Nice. I've never seen you here before, so welcome to the stream. Johnny JTH, cool. Welcome. I've never seen you here either. ASD. Watch a code and while I'm just setting up my environment right now, so I'm kind of showing you guys how I'm doing that on a new computer. And what we did was we installed Node, we installed TypeScript globally, and I'm setting up a React app right now to kind of show you guys. Do you remember me? I've seen you here a couple times before in the shawl, so I definitely do recognize you. Vilmstro, how are you? Welcome. A lot of new names that I'm seeing here for the first time, which is awesome. I love seeing the same people and new people here too. Please visit your channel. What kind of videos do you make? I'm gonna go take a nap. Got work in a little bit. I'm gonna be awaiting your Twitch streams and see about being more active in your Discord. Think my Discord is Wiz. I'll see about that. You forget me? I have not seen you for a while. When was the last time you were in what stream were you here in last time, Coldery? If you do play Val, I'll have to check it. Yeah, I'll play Valorant at some point. Look, once I get my new PC, well, not a new PC, my new graphics card, I'll definitely play Valorant. What's the difference between run and execute? I honestly don't know. I guess it depends on the context. I mean, to me, I really would just say they mean the same thing, if I'm being honest with you. Just join Discord, little X Daddy. Alright. Cool. Yeah, if you guys want, join my Discord server. The link is in the description. Help me get partnered. JK. I don't really care. It would be nice though, but I got rejected twice, which is very unfortunate. But it's fine. I don't really care. Do I code Python? Sometimes. Coding until lunch. Creating a shortened URL. Yeah, I have the... Oh! Wait, you were in those streams? I swear to God, I do not remember your name. I'm sorry. I apologize. I swear to God, I do not remember those names. No, unless you change your name, I don't know. Or I just have really fucking bad memory. Do you plan on continuing this Django Python OAuth2 series or start a new one, make a dashboard? I really wanted to make a new one, but I have so many things that I want to do. So I can't promise you anything right now. Especially, but I'm going to try my best to make as many videos. Yeah, for Python, yeah, with Django. I was going to redo the whole Django thing. I know my name is weird, that's why you don't... No, it's not that your name is weird, it's just that I just probably have really bad memory, honestly. Like, I don't know. I just have really, really bad memory. I don't know why. Alright. Yeah, so, like, that's pretty much it. Like, this is just our simple coding setup. Like, you know, like, if I want to download Java, I can also download Java as well. I don't have Java installed right now. I also think we're getting view botted right now, which is unfortunate. I hate it when we get view botted. I hope we're not getting view botted though. How do you tell if you're getting view botted? Well, you just ask the chat to send a message, and if people are actually watching, then there's a chance that they'll send a message. We have 58 people watching. Can we get 58 people chatting at the same time? That's really impossible. If you guys are actually here, definitely send a message. Definitely send a message. I do have one for JS, yeah, for the dashboard. I don't want to make another one for Python. What's your biggest project ever coded? My recent project, which is an app that I was making for my friend as a side project. That's my currently biggest project that I'm working on, but I kind of abandoned it because I was really busy with other things and I got burnt out from coding. So, yeah. Valley Polar Bear. Welcome to the stream. I think I've seen you here before. Love from Bangladesh. I actually, when I was younger in middle school, I had a lot of friends from Bangladesh. It was always more. I actually knew more Bangladesh people than people from India. But right now it's the complete opposite. I actually know more people. I actually know a lot more friends from India and Pakistan. Actually, one of my good friends is Pakistani. So I know a lot more people from India and Pakistan now than Bangladesh. Ignored? No, I saw your message. I saw your message. Don't worry. What's the difference? Oh, the other one. What's the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? Let's see. Well, TypeScript just is a superset of JavaScript. It has a lot more additional features with object-oriented programming. It has also type annotation too, which is very important. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm just reading chat at the same time, so I'm just trying to read as many messages as I can. So if I miss your message, don't feel bad. Just bring it up and I'll look back at it. Don't worry. I'm not an asshole when it comes to chat, so I'll try my best to answer. I'll try my best to read every single message if I can. Don't worry. I want to learn HTML but don't know where to start. I'll show you where to start. This is exactly where I started. You can either try this website or you can go to Code Academy or freecodecamp.com. Those are good websites for you. Ikra, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but Ikra Khan, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Nice seeing you here. Yeah, this is a good website to learn HTML, so I would highly recommend you visit that. Let's see. So that's pretty much TypeScript right there. Let me go ahead and do one more thing. JDK11. Let me also install Java. I'm gonna do JDK 14. So this is how I would install Java. You install it from the jdk.java website. So let me download the Windows 10 version. Oh, lol, I just paused the stream and didn't hear your answer on Python Django, so you do want to make more Django. I do, actually. I really do. Actually, someone actually asked me if I could make more Django stuff for the dashboard, and that's what inspired me to actually do another dashboard series. But I wanted to do Django as well with Python. Hey, man, got your PC sorted? Well, it's still broken, but I know what the problem was, so that's good. That's way better. The only thing that I need to do next is I need to test the CPU. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Micro Center and I'm going to call them to see if they can actually test my CPU. I don't know how. I don't know if they'll do it though, because I know they have to apply the thermal paste and stuff. But I'm fairly confident the CPU did not get burnt. I know for a fact the RAM still works because I'm using the new RAM in my old PC right now, so I know for a fact it works. I don't think the CPU died, if I'm being honest with you. I really don't think the CPU died. What was the first website you ever created? Can you show us if it does? I don't have it anymore. Well, I don't have it anymore, actually. I have a picture of it, but I can't show it to you right now. Alright, let me actually put this in the path real quick. So I need to actually move this somewhere real quick. I would show it to you if I had it, but I don't have it with me right now. I should have kept it, like all my old files. What browser do you use? I use Brave browser. I was actually using Microsoft Edge. That's for a period of time, believe it or not. Isn't that funny? Oh, whoops. Alright, so now all we have to do is just copy the path, and then we just go into our environment variable over here. And all we do is we just simply go here, and just we add an environment variable, and now we should be able to use Java. So if I restart the PowerShell, I type Java, there you go. So that's how you install Java. It's very easy. You can do Java version 14. Awesome. So now we can play Minecraft if we want to. Maybe change to dark wallpaper. My eyes can't handle it. Are you talking about this wallpaper that I have? The default Windows one? I can change it. Let's go find one. You guys don't like this one? I don't even know if I'll be able to change it because I don't have Windows activated right now. So I might not even be able to change it. Very nice, because I have to make my verified Python bot, and I really want to make a dashboard for it because I don't want to just add more commands. Lol, 150 Gs, and I tried adapting a JS one, Django I failed. I mean, you could learn the JavaScript one. You're just gonna have to figure out a way to interact the Python bot with the JavaScript backend, which it is very possible. But I understand how you feel. I understand how you feel because it might be overwhelming to use two separate languages for it. You know, you can certainly try, but you know, it might be a tough challenge. Dude, I fucking love Switzerland so much. I really love Switzerland. If I could retire somewhere, I would love to retire in Switzerland. Maybe when I'm like 50. It's like such a great place to, such beautiful mountains too. I actually want to go there before I'm 30. I need to definitely go to Switzerland before I'm 30 years old. Yeah, but also JavaScript is very usable. JS, you have like 30 files, and Python you have 5. Yeah, I agree. Let's see. Let me find. There was this one wallpaper that I used on my old computer. Fuck, I don't think I have it anymore. That's fine. I can always just get a new one. Let's download this one. I'll download this one. Actually, wait a minute. No. Let me actually download the original size. Hopefully, I can actually use this one. Says desktop background. There you go. You guys like that better? Is that better? Should be way better. Also, oh shoot, something was about to fall down. Okay. Now let me install a couple other things. Let me install Intellij for Java developers, so you guys can, you know, see how this works. Let me install Intellij. Let's download the. Do I want to get the free trial? Do I need to activate the license too? You know what, let me try it. Let me see if I could get this. If it forces me to sign in, I'm not going to do that. Let me install Intellij. Most people says Python's much easier. I do find Python to be a lot easier, if I'm being honest with you. In terms of learning it, yes. Python is very simple. Django is actually really nice to use. I really like Django a lot. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install a database. Can I have Docker on here? I don't think I have Docker on here. 78 watching, yeah, it's definitely a viewbot. I doubt there's many people. I'm pretty sure there's more, like, there's maybe more, like, I would say 18 people here, if I'm being honest with you. I don't know who viewbots me, but it's really annoying, but it is what it is. I can't really do anything about that. Can't really do anything about that. I don't like it because it makes it hard for me to see who's actually. I can't really tell like who's actually watching, you know. It's hard for me to like get insights. What do you recommend for starter programmers? Like which tutorial should I watch first? What do you mean? Like, are you talking about videos on my channel or just in general? Viewbots can get a channel banned. Well, I mean, solo, it really depends on what you want to get better at. I mean, most of my videos, I will say, is more focused on just tutorials, you know. And I really only have a few videos where I show you guys how to do something from scratch. So there's JavaScript tutorials, there's React. So you can go with that if you want. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe someone just doesn't like me and they're trying to get me banned. Who knows? Hey, man, if I get banned, it is what it is. At least the entire time while I'm streaming, I might as well enjoy streaming before I get banned. Am I right? Alien, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Don't worry, you won't get banned. Alright, so do they want us to... Okay, there we go. So we just installed Intellij. Can you briefly explain what Docker is? Well, Docker is basically a solution where you can containerize your application. So that way, instead of just install, you can do it. You can basically create an application and you can isolate it into its own container. So that way, instead of running it in the entire operating system, it lives in its own individual container. You can think of it like this. Let's say, for example, if you have a closet, right? Technically, if you were to put, you know, let's say shoes or clothes inside a closet, you'd basically putting it inside the entire closet. But what if you wanted to organize everything, right? You would probably put it in its own individual boxes or its own individual section. So you can kind of think of containerizing, kind of like that, where everything is isolated and it can't interact with any other container. I mean, you can make it, but by default, the whole point is to keep it isolated from other containers as well. So that's just like a brief rundown. And Docker is also nice because you can pretty much use it. You can use it like a VM. You can use it to install like databases. You can use it to install programs that you necessarily may not want to install at the OS level, but just maybe you want to try it out. So there's that. So we installed IntelliJ, so I should be able to, and I do have Java installed, so it should work just fine. Let me see if I can get this to work. Don't show tips, close. Is Docker free or paid? It's free. You can download for free. Your stream always makes my mind fresh, but now I have to go for work. Alright, Golder, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a good one. Docker is definitely worth it. Docker is used by a lot of companies, trust me. Like, I use Docker at work, so I would highly recommend you learn Docker. It's worth it. It is very, very worth it. See if we can get this to work. There we go. So yeah, now we can write Java programs. So that's pretty much how we can set up our Java application. So that's awesome. So now if I want to install pretty much anything else, that's why it's so easy to install stuff. So I can install MongoDB right now if I want to. And I can use it to save data, obviously. It's very easy to use. But yeah, I have Java set up. I can also install Android Studio if I want to create Java, or not Java, but if I want to create like Android apps, I can do that as well. Let's exit out of here. We have Visual Studio Code. Let's exit out of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it with setting up. Rust is probably the language of the future. I think so too. For system programming, definitely. I think Rust is going to, at some point, take over C++. I think so. Arium, how are you? Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Rust is a really good language. It's fucking awesome. I've used it before and I like it. So there's that. Pang 360. I don't know what that means. Alright, let's see. I think I have everything set up so far. Because basically, like I said, once I need to go back to making the videos soon. Because I have a lot of other stuff that I gotta get done before I trust me, the videos are just gonna, even though my PC broke down, I'm still gonna be able to make videos because I have this other computer. So thank God, thank God I have this backup computer. There's a part of me that wanted to, I was actually thinking about giving this computer away. But one thing that I realized is never, ever, always have a spare PC parts because you might need to use it to test. So yeah, you never know. You never know. You never know. Never know. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to actually clone a couple of repositories. I need to install Gits. Let me install Git real quick. Install Gits. Let me install Gits. Sorry, 64-bit. Let's install Git. Alright, I'm installing Git right now. Do you use a bash terminal? No, not really. I used ZSH before. I really like using ZSH. So it's a really good shell. Well, I mean, I use bash obviously when I have Linux, but I mean, there's also git bash, but I don't use that either. I never really bothered setting it up. So I should have git installed right now, because I just installed it. So there you go. So I should just be able to clone this repository. This is the dashboard code. Let me try cloning it. There we go. So let's do yarn install. Let's hopefully that installs everything well. Stupid but smart. Welcome to the stream. I recognize your name. I think you were here before, but welcome. Glad to see you here. Glad to see you here. So I don't have any commands. This is why I want to switch over to Twitch, because YouTube streaming, it doesn't really integrate well with bots. Twitch, at least you can actually make really good bots. YouTube you can't. The YouTube API isn't really that great for live streaming. Hey, do you know how to update Discord.js code? Yeah, but You just, I mean, I don't know what you mean by update exactly. Like, are you talking about from version 11 to version 12? Is that what you mean? Because they have documentation that tells you how to migrate. Alright, so this is pretty much the code that we have. So yeah, pretty much I can just continue making the video from here. Even though we're not on the same computer, that's fine. All I need to do is I just need to get Adobe Premiere Pro. I need to download it on this computer. I should be able to still update the video, render the video, but it's just going to take a lot longer because I'm making, I'm making like long videos now, and on my other computer, it would take me only like 20 minutes just to export like an hour video, or maybe even short, like 15 minutes. On this processor, it would take me probably like a really long time. But yeah, you can see that it's working just fine right now, which is great. All I need to do is just set up the back end. So yeah, we're Gucci. Like this dashboard works fine on like literally anywhere. I think I have my old code in V11. How do I update it to V12? There's documentation that shows you how to do it. Yeah, I started making Twitch bot with TMI.js. What's TMI.js? Okay, I'll look into it. Yeah, I definitely want to make my own Twitch bot. Yeah, when I get my PC, I'm gonna stream more on Twitch. I used to actually stream on both Twitch and YouTube at the same time. There are a lot of devs on Twitch thanks to the signs into chat. Yeah, I know there's a huge section dedicated to coding. Well, not coding, but just, anything with science and tech, which is awesome. But we gotta move our whole army from YouTube to Twitch. That's what we gotta do. We gotta move all of our army from YouTube to Twitch. So I need you guys to make sure you follow my Twitch. So when I go live, we're all gonna be there. Mad Lad did it again. What did I do? My PC is still messed up, just to let you know. I was able to figure out the problem though. I was definitely able to figure out the problem, which is great. So at least it's not the worst case scenario, Whenever there's a problem, I always want to figure it out. I always hate not being able to figure out what the problem is. I'm happy I can catch on one of your streams, LXRSV1. How's it going, man? I have never seen you here before, but I'm glad you're here. I mainly use Twitch. You know what's funny? I actually just realized exactly 1 year ago, around this time, I was actually boarding the plane to go to Arizona. Exactly 1 year ago. It's crazy. Time flies. Like exactly 1 year ago, I booked a flight to fly across the country with no money at all, and I was renting on Airbnb. And crazy, right? Crazy. See where life takes us sometimes, Great. How about you? I'm doing good. I've been feeling bad the past week or two. If I'm being honest with you, I haven't really been feeling so ambitious. And I was feeling really bad, the past week. But I'm feeling a lot better. I'm feeling a lot better yesterday and today, so I'm happy. When there's a problem, I always want to figure it out. That's 100% the thing right there. Just follow on Twitch. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate the follow. Thank you. Yeah, like I said, I want to stream more on Twitch. I want to do more gaming streams, What I'm thinking about doing, and I wish I had done this. See, this is why there's a lot of things that I wish I had done before my PC shit itself, but what I want to do is I want to stream coding early in the morning from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. on the weekends, and then take a 4-hour break, and then from 12 to let's say 6 p.m. stream gaming. Yo, what's up, Zerf? How are you? Welcome back to the stream. It's nice to see you here. I haven't seen you for a while because I haven't been streaming, but I'm glad you're here. Didn't your Twitch follow? You know what? Let me link my stream. I don't know who's here, but like I said, if you're new, definitely follow my Twitch, because I want to start streaming on there. There you go. EST, yeah, EST. I really do gotta get a new graphics card, dude. Like, as long as I get this graphics card, I'm gonna be lit. I'm gonna be lit. I just hope the new graphics cards can come out though, because I really just want to play video games. If I'm being honest with you, like on my free time, that is. Like obviously, I have to work from 9 to 5 on the weekdays. Um, but then when I'm not working, I can find other things to do. Obviously, there's a lot of other things that I want to do. Like going to the gym. I mean, I can't really do that right now because it's everything here in New York right now is locked down. So I can't really do much. If I didn't buy a mouse pad, I would become a member of Patreon. Yo, don't worry about that, man. No worries about that. Itumeling, how are you? Welcome to the stream. Follow, thank you for the follow. Okay, cool. That's 8 at my time. Where are you from again? You said, oh, you're from the UK, right? You said UK. I think you said UK at some point. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. If I can find a graphics card on Newegg, I'm gonna get it immediately. And I'm gonna play all the games I never got to play. Like Valorant. And then we'll probably do viewer games. If you guys want to play with me, we can play together. We'll do Minecraft streams. What are some other games that you can play with other people? Among Us, I don't want to do Among Us because I don't really think Among Us is a good game to play with viewers, in my opinion. Like, unless if you do it on Discord, but I don't think it's a really good game to play live because you have to do the delay and stuff. Also, I followed your React Crash thing. Thanks for that. No problem, man. What's the clock for you? It's 6:41 a.m. right now for me right now. 6:41 a.m. Make a bot in Python to get it. Get what exactly? What, Among Us or followed? Also have a question. Do you do development as your main job? Sorry if it's a personal question. Yeah, I do. No, that's not really. I mean, that's a question I don't mind I don't mind answering. But yeah, yeah. But yeah, I do work as a software engineer, full time. That's my main job, and I do YouTube as a side hustle for fun. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like that's just what I like to do for fun. It's fun. I enjoy doing it. My Discord server is in the description. So definitely check it out. The GPU, oh, like a scraper. Yeah, you're right. I could do that. See, look at this website, right? Look at how much an RTX 2060 normally costs, right? Look at the actual price. Okay, look. Like it's actually supposed to be like 360. Right? I regret not buying it at the time, but now it's out of stock. So I mean, I don't know when it's gonna come back, but I sure as hell hope it's sooner than ever. And then yeah, you see these other ones. These are from third-party vendors. They're gonna sell obviously higher because demand is high. That's how the market is. When there's a high demand, they're gonna want to increase the prices as much as they can. But yeah, look at how expensive these 2060 is, right? If you were rich, you'd definitely pay for that. Why don't you make a bot for YouTube? I could, but I've never got the time. I never really looked into it. A lot of people are doing it. People are scamming those people. Oh, 1,000, like what? Yeah. That's crazy, I know. But it's fine. I'll be patient. I mean, I'll be fine. I'll be fine without a GPU. The more hype that we build up, the better it's gonna be. The more hype we build up. But like, if I can just get my hands on at least a 1660, I'll be very happy. The problem is I can't. Well, I mean, I might actually be able to buy it from Amazon. But it would have to be from a third-party seller because I don't think Amazon is really selling it. I would prefer to buy it from Amazon. That would be a lot better. But yeah, everything is sold out, which is surprising me right now. Yeah, I'm sure you could make it. Check the price. Muhammad Umar from Ahmedabad State. I don't know what that means. Well, where are you from? Well, where is that from? I'll just probably auto notify myself until I'll probably just like auto notify myself for everything, so that way the moment that thing drops, I'm gonna immediately buy it. But I am moving though. I'm moving in 6 weeks, so I could either buy the GPU now, which I don't know when it's gonna come out, or I can buy it when I move across the country. But at that time, I don't know when I'm gonna get situated, which is the problem. So I'm looking at around April May is when I really get situated, because I'm moving in March, and I'm probably gonna be I'm probably gonna do an Airbnb for like maybe a month or so, maybe longer, who knows. Um, so I might not even have an apartment immediately, but we'll see what happens though. I mean, I could always just like get my PC shipped to the Airbnb if the host doesn't mind. I could ask them. Imagine, that'd be crazy. I know, but yeah, like I'm excited. I want to get a camera so I can start vlogging. I want to start doing vlogs. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that, but I want to start doing vlogs on my channel. I think that'd be fun to do. Switch it up a bit. Um, yeah, but I think that's pretty much it. I don't really have much planned for you guys. I just wanted to do a quick stream, just to kind of like give you guys an update where things currently are. Show you guys how I set everything up with my coding thing, and just kind of like talk to you guys. I like talking to you guys. I like just sitting down here and just talking to you guys, answering as many questions as I can. Saying hi to all of you guys. All that kind of stuff. But anyways, yeah, thanks for checking out the stream. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to join my Discord server, I am going to go figure out what I'm going to do next. I do know I have work in 2 hours, so I'm going to go figure out what I'm going to do next for next 2 hours. But anyways, do a day in the soft div. I could. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, whatever you guys are up to. Yeah, I just hope you guys, get shit done today. Anyways, join my Discord server if you aren't, and I'll see you guys in my next stream.